Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with Castle Auto Sales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2010 Jeep Wrangler Sport Hardtop manual. Just like in all my videos, I'm going to do the outside. I'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over real quick just so you can see the dash and the lights, let you hear it run. Looks like they have this one out here as a display rig. So I didn't really want to mess that up, pull it out. So do the best I can with what I got here, but just like in all my videos, we're just going to get outside condition and features, all the angles in there for you. Reason why we do these video walkarounds, we deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. Just reach out and give me a call or text for further details. When it comes to that, we're here to accommodate and facilitate. But as you're going to see, clean truck. Try not to bite it here. Walking through here. So it looks like brush guard. That mean looking grill. I like the eyes on that. Trying to focus on my feet here in the video at the same time. I apologize, guys. Do the best I can again. Climb over. Oh, whoa. All right, let's get to the inside condition and features. Walk back around here, unlock it. All right, let me open that up. So it doesn't have power windows or power locks. This is a Jeep through and through. Let's get the condition of the seats here. Seats are in great condition, that's for sure. Passenger seat here. Try to get this side seat. Get these back seats here. You have the sound bar up there. The, what do they call them? Handles here, both sides. Has aftermarket stereo there. Looks like Bluetooth, maybe navigation. Some manual there, four-wheel drive. This has been sitting here for a little while. Hopefully the battery isn't dead from sitting. People lights on and off. Oh, nope. There's the mileage there. Please don't roll on me. All right. Put the foot on the clutch. Make sure it's a neutral. That is on. All right, there is the mileage there. They have it in four-wheel drive. Look at that guy there. All right. So yeah, navigation, a whole line on this one. AC blows cold. Here, let me turn on some lights. Make sure all that's on. Alright, close this door. Watch my feet. Sorry guys, let me come back around here. I think first time I've ever done a video walk around like this, that's for sure. But definitely good looking Jeep. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, frankly, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just reach out, give us a call or a text. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.